are staring at your engine bay and your heart just sinks. It is that tiny, flimsy piece of plastic sticking out of your radiator neck. One wrong move with a wrench or a brittle moment after years of heat, and snap. It is gone. Now you are looking at a perfectly good radiator that just became a giant, expensive paperweight because of one small overflow nipple. This is where a clever little repair kit comes into play, promising to save you a few $100 and a whole lot of labor. The idea is simple enough. Instead of yanking out the entire cooling unit, you use a universal fitting to restore that broken connection. It sounds like a dream for any budget-conscious mechanic. Most people who go this route are tired of the throwaway culture of modern car parts. Why replace a massive metal and plastic assembly when only 1% of it is actually broken? That is the core appeal here. It is a lifeline for older vehicles where a full radiator replacement might actually cost more than the car is worth. But let us be real for a second. Whenever you hear the word universal, you should probably expect a little bit of a struggle. This is not always a simple pop it in and walk away kind of job. Real-world feedback is a bit of a mixed bag, though it definitely leans toward the positive side if you know what you were doing. Some people find that the seal fits like a glove right out of the box. Others end up frustrated because their specific radiator neck shape makes the fitment awkward or tight. You might find yourself reaching for a grinder or some sandpaper to get everything sitting flush. It is the classic trade-off. You save money, but you pay for it with your time and a bit of extra effort. There's also the question of structural integrity. If your radiator is already crumbling and brittle from a decade of heat cycles, this kit might just be a temporary bandage. It cannot fix a radiator that is fundamentally failing. It is specifically designed for that one annoying broken tube. You also have to think about the brand behind it. Some automotive communities swear by these clever workarounds, while others think they are a bit hit or miss compared to original parts. Durability is the big mystery for most buyers. Will it hold up through a freezing winter and a scorching summer? Many users say yes, but it really comes down to the quality of your installation. You have to make sure the seal is perfect. If you leave even a tiny gap, you are just trading one leak for another. And please, do not think this is a cure-all for a car that is already overheating. If your thermostat is stuck or your head gasket is blown, no tiny plastic fitting is going to save you. This is about restoration, not a miracle. From a pure value standpoint, it is hard to argue with the logic. Spending a tiny fraction of what a new radiator costs to get back on the road is a massive win. It is a smart, gritty solution for a common problem. It feels like a genuine hack that rewards the person willing to get their hands dirty. It might not be a permanent, factory perfect fix every single time, but it beats the alternative of a massive repair bill. For the right person with the right mindset, this little kit is exactly the kind of tool that turns a bad day into a manageable afternoon project. It is about keeping things running without overcomplicating the situation or draining your bank account for no reason. Sometimes the simplest fix is actually the smartest one you can make. It takes a bit of patience and some fine-tuning, but the satisfaction of saving a major component with a minor part is hard to beat when you finally turn that key and see no more leaks.